Till now in matrices, what we have done? We have done the types of matrices, algebra of matrices, addition of two matrices, subtraction between matrices, and multiplication of matrices, multiplication of any scalar number with a matrix, multiplication of two matrices, and there are some conditions, properties of matrices, all we have done. Okay. So today what we'll do, also did transpose of matrices. What is transpose of matrices? Transpose of a matrix is when we are exchanging the rows and columns. Rows will be column and column will be rows. Okay, that will be called as transpose of matrices, transpose of a matrix. So today we'll do the properties of transpose and we'll see how transpose work, how we can convert in transpose, and after that we'll see adjoint also. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we'll see what is transpose. Just a revision. What is transpose? If a matrix is there, okay, Aij, so transpose of this matrix will be Aj. It means if we have a matrix given 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 6, okay, this is a matrix given and we have, this is matrix A, okay, and we have to find out A transpose, okay, or A dash भी हम उसे बोलते हैं, okay. So that will, the value of this will become rows, row will become column and column will become row. So this is first row, so it will become first column, 2, 3, 4. This is second row, so it will become second column, 1, 3, 6, okay. Okay, so this is 2 cross 3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 columns are there. So the transpose of matrix A will, the order of transpose of matrix A will be 3 cross 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, that's okay. Now we'll move forward and we'll see the properties of transpose of matrices. So of transpose of matrix. So these are the 3 properties of transpose of matrix. So A, B, when we are adding two matrices A and B, then the transpose of the sum of the two matrices will be A transpose of A and transpose of B. मतलब whenever we are adding two matrices A और B, two matrices को हम add करते हैं and उसका transpose जब find out करते हैं तो उसके transpose का value क्या होगा? The single matrix का जो transpose होगा, the transpose of A and transpose of B will be equal to the sum of AB का transpose. Got it? The second one is second property of transpose of matrices, transpose of matrix, that is Ka. When we are, K is a scalar number and we are multiplying K with matrix A, मतलब we are multiplying matrix A with K, scalar number. So transpose of this whole Ka का जो value होगा, that will be K into transpose of A. Why? Because K is a scalar number. तो K में कोई change नहीं आएगा, हम उसको row wise लिखें या column wise लिखें, because whenever we are multiplying a scalar number with a matrix, क्या होता है? That scalar number will be multiplied to each element of that matrix. ठीक है, मतलब कि अगर हम कोई भी एक scalar number को multiply करते हैं matrix से, मैट्रिक्स ए, सो मैट्रिक्स ए के जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं, लाइक अगर वो 2/3 मैट्रिक्स है, ऑर्डर इज 2/3, सो देयर विल बी 6 एलिमेंट्स. अगर 3/3 है तो देयर विल बी 9 एलिमेंट्स. सो जो स्केलर वैल्यू से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, द स्केलर वैल्यू बाय विच वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग द मैट्रिक्स ए, उसके मैट्रिक्स के सारे एलिमेंट्स से वो स्केलर नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होता है, राइट. सो देर विल बी नो चेंज. अगर हम मैट्रिक्स के ट्रांसपोज को अगर उस स्केलर नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें और विल मल्टीप्लाई द मैट्रिक्स विथ द स्केलर नंबर एंड देन विल फाइंड आउट द ट्रांसपोज, देर विल बी नो चेंज. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. द थर्ड वन इज ए बी. व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग नंबर्स, व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग two matrices and then the प्रोडक्ट का हम ट्रांसपोज फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू मैट्राइसेस, द वैल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू, तो सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स जो B है, B का ट्रांसपोज इंटू A का ट्रांसपोज. वाई दिस इज हैपनिंग लाइक दिस? क्योंकि हम A और B जब टू मैट्राइसेस को हम लेते हैं, दिस इज, अगर दिस इज मैट्रिक्स A, दिस इज B, ठीक है, अगर ये 3 क्रॉस 2 है तो दिस शुड बी 2 क्रॉस समथिंग. because the column of this matrix should be equal to row of this matrix, then only we'll be able to multiply. ये order of B is 2 cross 3. Okay, then the resultant AB matrix होगा, that will be 3 cross 3. So that will be 3 cross 3. Okay, now we have to find out the transpose of this matrix. We have to find out transpose, मतलब जो row wise है that will become column wise. Okay, but column and rows are very important in case of multiplication. So when we are multiplying na, we'll check this by one example. By seeing one example we'll solve this one and we'll see whether it is equal or not. ये होता है because B is the second one जिसका column will be the resultant matrix का column, and A is the matrix जिसका row will be the resultant matrix का row. But when we are converting the rows into columns and columns into rows, मतलब transpose किया, तो that will be changed. So when we are multiplying this, the property is this one कि AB को transpose of product of two matrices will be equal to the second matrices जो है, जो second one है, जैसे B है, B का transpose into A का transpose. Okay, this is not equal to A का transpose into B का ट्रांसपोज, इसके इक्वल ये नहीं होता है because AB is not equal to BA. Got it? This is not equal to BA. Got it? So these are two matrices given. The matrix A is this one and matrix B is this one. Now we'll see whether AB का ट्रांसपोज is equal to B transpose into A transpose. ये होता है या नहीं, that we'll check here. Okay, so first of all we'll find out the value of AB. Okay, so value of AB क्या होगा? For AB transpose we need to find out AB first na. So AB will be this is 2 by 3 matrix and this is 3 cross 2 matrix. Okay, so this the number of column is 3, number of rows 3. So AB we can find out, right? So AB we can find out that the resultant matrix will, the order of resultant AB will be 2 cross 2. ठीक है? So first of all we'll take first row, first column. Okay, 1 into 2 will be 2, 2 into 1 will be 2, 1 into 1 will be 1. Okay, now second row, first column, 3 into 2 6, 1 into 1 1, 3 into 1 3. ठीक है? Now first row, second column, 1 into 3 3, 2 into 2 4, 1 into 2 2. Okay, and next last one, second row, second column, 3 into 3 9, 1 into 2 2, 3 into 2 6. ठीक है? तो क्या हुआ? Just check once. 1 to 2, 2 into 1 2. Okay, 3 into 2 6, 3 into, okay. Now see what will the value of AB? AB का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 plus 2 plus 1 5, 6 plus 3 plus 1 10, 3 plus 4 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 plus 6 17. ठीक है? Now we have to find out the value of AB transpose, AB का transpose. Then we have to find out the transpose of this one. So row wise जो है वो column wise होगा. We'll convert row and columns. Okay, 5 9 10 17. Okay, तो this is the value resultant. Okay, we'll write somewhere, हम लिख के रखते हैं कहीं पे. So this is AB का transpose we just found out, that is 5 10 9 17, 5 10 9 17. ठीक है? Now बाकी का हम रफ कर देते हैं and again we'll find out this value, B का transpose and A का transpose. Now B का transpose will be 2 cross 3 matrix होगा. क्यों? This is 3 cross 2 ना. So row the first column will become first row, 2 1 1. Second column will become second row, that is 3 2 2. Okay, now A का transpose will become, this is 2 by 3, so that will become 3 by 2. This is 2 cross 3 क्योंकि 3 क्रॉस 2 था. ओके, नाउ A ट्रांसपोज विल फर्स्ट रो विल बिकम फर्स्ट कॉलम 1 2 1 1 2 1. Second row will become second column 3 1 3 3 1 3. Okay, so this is 3 cross 2 matrix. ठीक है, now we have to find out the value of B transpose A transpose. ठीक है, so we'll multiply these B transpose and A transpose, first row first column. Okay, 2 into 1 2 1 into 2 2 1 into 1 1. For second row first column 3 into 1 3 2 into 2 4 2 into 1 2. Okay, first row second column 2 into 3 6 1 into 1 1 1 into 3 3. Second row second column 3 into 3 9 2 into 1 2 2 into 3 6. ठीक है, now the value will become B transpose A transpose will become 2 plus 2 plus 1 5 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9 6 plus 1 plus 3 10 9 plus 2 plus 6 17. So this value and this value is same na, so we can say that A B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. ठीक है, see this one is a matrix given. Okay, matrix A is given and we have to find out the if the matrix is सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ओके, सो सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स का मतलब क्या होता है? सिमेट्रिक मतलब A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A, दैट मीन्स सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ठीक है, एंड दिस मीन्स सिमेट्रिक. ओके, मैट्रिक्स. एंड इफ A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू माइनस A, देन दैट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. स्क्यू symmetric matrix. ठीक है, now we have to find out the transpose of A. This is A, तो A transpose will be 2 3 minus 3 4 है ना, so we'll write like this 2 minus 3 4. जो भी row wise है we'll write column wise. Okay, transpose का मतलब we have to convert rows into columns and columns into rows. So second row is minus 3 5 minus 2 minus 3 5 minus 2. Third row 4 minus 2 1. We'll write third column 4 minus 2 minus 1 4 minus 2 and 1. Now we'll compare this, the row 2 minus 3 4 2 minus 3 4 minus 3 5 minus 2 minus 3 5 minus 2 4 minus 2 1 4 minus 2 1. So these are equal, so A is equal to A transpose. So this matrix A is a symmetric matrix. Okay, ठीक है, symmetric matrix. So this is a matrix given, matrix A. Okay, so these are the values given. Now we have to find out A transpose. We have to check whether this matrix is skew symmetric या symmetric. Okay, so first of all what we'll do, we'll find out A transpose. ट्रांसपोज का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0 5 4 है, तो we'll write 0 5 4. This row wise and we'll write column wise. We'll read row wise and write column wise. So minus 5 0 minus 2 minus 5 0 minus 2 minus 4 2 0 minus 4 2 0. Okay, now we'll compare this. 0 0 minus 5 5. Now what we'll do, माइनस कॉमन ले लेते हैं. अगर हम सब में से माइनस कॉमन, विल टेक कॉमन, सो दिस विल बिकम, ये तो ज़ीरो में नो चेंज रहेगा. ओके, बिकॉज माइनस हो या प्लस हो दैट विल बी ज़ीरो ओनली. ओके, minus 5 will become 5, minus 4 will become 4. Now 5 will become minus 5, 0 तो वैसे ही no change, and 2 will become minus 2 when we are taking minus common. So 4, again 4 will become minus 4, 2 will become minus 2 will become 2. Now we'll compare these. 0, 5, 4, 0, 5, 4, minus 5, 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0, minus 2, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 4, 2, 0. So we can say that A is equal to minus A transpose. It means A is skew symmetric matrix. ठीक है ना? Skew symmetric. ठीक है? A is not symmetric. A is skew symmetric matrix. This is a matrix A. The values are given. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to convert this into symmetric matrix. Is this symmetric matrix? ये है क्या? Because first how we'll check? We'll find out the transpose of the matrix. Transpose क्या? 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7. Transpose we have to find out. 2, 4, minus 6. 2, 4, minus 6. 3, 8, minus 5. 3, 8, minus 5. Now what we have to do? Now we'll compare this. 3, 8, minus 5. 3, 8, minus 5 है क्या? No. नहीं है. So 2, 4, minus 6. 2, 4, minus 6 है क्या? No. So this matrix is matrix A is neither skew symmetric nor symmetric. ना ही वो symmetric है ना skew symmetric है. Okay. Now we have to convert this matrix into symmetric matrix. तो हम क्या करेंगे? What we'll do? A plus A transpose हम लेंगे. Okay. A plus A transpose लेंगे and then we'll divide this by 2. ठीक है? We'll divide this by 2. So first of all we'll add this matrix. Okay. 1 by 2 से multiply करेंगे and we'll add this. 3 plus 3 6. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3 10. 2 plus 5 7. 4 plus 4 8. Minus 6 and plus 8. So this will be 2. 3 plus 7 10. 8 minus 6 2. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 10. Okay. Now this matrix, now we have to divide this. We have to multiply this by 1 upon 2 ना, मतलब we have to divide this by 2. So 6 का half 3. This will become 3 upon 3.5. 10 मतलब 5. 7 का half 3.5. 8 का half 4. 2 का half 1. 10 का half 5. 2 का half 1 and minus 10 का half minus 5. Now when we'll can you see this? The row wise जो values है वो column wise भी row wise जो है वही column wise. 3 minus 5 3 3.5 and 5. 3 3.5 5. 3.5 4 1. 3.5 4 1. 5 1 minus 5. 5 1 minus 5. Now this matrix A. So this 1 upon 2. Okay, we'll write like this. A plus AT divided by 2 is symmetric matrix. Okay. So if we have a matrix given जो कि symmetric नहीं है, skew symmetric भी नहीं है, then we have to convert that matrix into symmetric or skew symmetric. So what we have to do when we have to convert that into symmetric matrix, we'll add the transpose of that matrix and divide the resultant by 2. So if A is a matrix given and that is not a symmetric matrix and we have to convert that matrix A into symmetric matrix, हम कैसे करेंगे? We'll find out the transpose of A, then we'll add that add the transpose with that matrix, मतलब A को will add with A transpose and then we'll divide the resultant matrix by 2 and we'll get the symmetric matrix. Okay. Similarly, when we have to find out the skew symmetric matrix, what we'll do, we'll just subtract the transpose of the matrix by the matrix given. So if A is a matrix given and we have to find out the skew symmetric matrix of A, so what we'll do, we will find out the A transpose of the matrix given A. Okay, then A minus A transpose will find out and the resultant will divide that resultant by 2. So A minus A transpose divided by 2 will be the skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so So we'll check for skew symmetric matrix. We'll take the same example. A is a matrix given. A is a matrix given. We had just found out the transpose of A, transpose of the given matrix. So ये result मिला. Okay. Now we have to find out the skew symmetric matrix. इसको convert करना है. We have to convert this into skew symmetric matrix. तो क्या होगा? A minus A transpose divided by 2. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll divide this by 2 and we'll find out transpose. So A minus A transpose. So 3 minus 3 will be 0. 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. 3 minus 7 will be minus 4. Now 5 minus 2 will be 3. 7 minus 3 will be 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Minus 5 minus 5 होगा 0. Minus 5 minus minus 5. Okay. 8 minus minus 6. So 8 plus 6 will be 14. And minus 6 minus minus 8. Minus 6 minus 8 will be minus 14. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have found out. Now we'll divide this by 2. So what we'll get? 0 by 2 will be 0. 3 by 2 will be 1.5. 4 by 2 will be 2. Now minus 3 upon 2 will be minus 1.5. 0 will be 0. Minus 14 will be minus 7. Okay. Minus 4 will be minus 2. 14 will be 7 and 0 will be 0. Now check this. When we are taking this row wise 0, 1.5 and 2 and check column wise 0, minus 1.5, minus 2. So when we are taking this, when we will find out the transpose of this matrix, that will be negative of that matrix. Okay. So when we'll convert, when we'll find out the transpose of this resultant, मतलब कि A minus A transpose divided by 2, this is a matrix. So when we'll find out the transpose of this matrix, हम देखेंगे कि इस matrix का transpose will be the negative of this matrix. Okay. So this way, this will be the skew symmetric matrix. Okay. So whenever we have to find out the symmetric matrix of a given matrix जो कि symmetric नहीं है, then what we have to do? We have to just add the matrix with the transpose of that matrix and divide it by 2. Similarly, when we have to find out the skew symmetric matrix, what we have to do? We have to just subtract the transpose of the matrix by the given matrix and we'll find out the and divide it by 2. So जो भी given matrix A है, हमें उसका transpose find out करना है and transpose को उस given matrix से subtract करना है, transpose को subtract करना है. Okay. So that will be A minus A transpose and divided by 2. And then we'll get the result. That resultant matrix will be the, that matrix will be called as skew symmetric matrix. Okay. A is Aij, that is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Order of the matrix, that is a square matrix and the order of matrix is 3. So, and Aij is given. Aij is equal to 2 into I minus j. Okay. So by using this one, we have to find out that matrix, all elements of the matrix given. Okay. And what we have to do, we have to find out जो A and A transpose जो है, we have to find out the value of A and A transpose and we have to check whether the given matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. So first of all, we will find out the values. Okay. So क्या क्या है? A I J मतलब A 3 cross 3 है तो A 1 1 होगा, तो A 1 1, A 1 2, A 1 3, A 2 1, A 2 2, A 2 3, A 3 1, A 3 2, A 3 3. Okay. So A 1 1 will be 2 into 1 minus 1. Okay. 0. This is 2 into 1 minus 2. क्या होगा? 2 into minus 1. That will be minus 2. This will be 2 into 1 minus 3. This will be 2 into 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Now 2 into, this is 2 1. So 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 2, 2. Now 2 into 2 minus 2, 0. 2 into 2 minus 3. Again, this will be 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Okay. Now 3 1. 2 into 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Now 2 into 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 1 into 2, 2. Now 2 into 3 minus 3, 0. ठीक है. Now we'll put this value. So A, matrix A will be 3 by 3 है ना. So first one 0, row wise we'll write 0 minus 2 minus 4. 0 minus 2 minus 4. Second row 2 0 minus 2. 2 0 minus 2. Third row 4 2 0. 4 2 0. So we'll check. क्या वो लगता है? What is this? This matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric? Yes, this is skew symmetric because when we'll convert the rows and columns interchange करेंगे तो we'll get negative. A will be equal to A transpose नहीं, minus A transpose, because A transpose will be 0 minus 2 minus 4, 0 minus 2 minus 4, 2 0 minus 2, 2 0 minus 2, 4 2 0, 4 2 0. Now we'll compare this. 0 2 4, 0 minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 0 2, 2 0 minus 2, 4 2 0, minus 4 minus 2 0. So we can say that A is equal to, clearly we can see this, A is equal to minus A transpose. So this matrix is skew symmetric matrix. ठीक है, skew symmetric. ठीक है, clear? A transpose का transpose मतलब transpose of A transpose is equal to A. So first of all we'll find out the value of A transpose. ठीक है, A transpose matrix A transpose क्या होगा, कॉलम वाइज जो है उसको हम रो वाइज लिख देंगे. तो 5 4 minus 2. Again second column will be second row, minus 3 minus 3 1, minus 3 minus 3 1. ठीक है, this is A transpose. Now we'll find out the transpose of this matrix. The transpose of this matrix, ठीक है, वो क्या होगा. Now this is first row, तो first column we'll write 5 4 minus 2. This is second column, minus 3 minus 3 1. So we'll write like this, minus 3 minus 3 1. Now can you compare this? This is first row, same. This is second row, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. Third row, minus 2 1, minus 2 1. So can you see this? A transpose of A transpose is equal to A. Proved. A transpose, C transpose. Okay. The question given, A, B, C, 3 matrix is given. Okay. So 3 matrix is given and 2 things we have to prove. First one, we have to prove that A plus B का transpose of A plus B is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. And second thing, we have to find out the value of transpose of A minus C. Okay, the transpose of the difference of A and C will be equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Okay, so first of all we'll start from here, A plus B. Okay, so first of all A plus B का transpose हम निकालते हैं. A plus B. Okay, so A plus B will be 2 plus 2 4, minus 3 and plus 1 minus 2, 5 4 9, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, 1 plus 3 4. Okay, so A, this is A plus B. So A plus B transpose क्या होगा, जो रो वाइज है वो कॉलम वाइज होगा, जो कॉलम वाइज है दैट विल बी इन रो वाइज. सो विल टेक कॉलम वाइज एंड विल राइट रो वाइज. 4 9 minus 9, 4 9 minus 9. ठीक है, एंड द सेकेंड कॉलम इज minus 2 minus 5 4. विल राइट रो. सो सेकेंड रो विल बी minus 2 minus 5 and 4. ठीक है. Now we have to find out the value of A transpose and B transpose. So first of all we'll find out the value of A transpose. A transpose and B transpose का summation लेते हैं. Okay, so we'll write A transpose. A transpose will be 2 5 minus 6, 2 5 minus 6. Okay, minus 3 minus 4 1, minus 3 minus 4 1. Now B transpose will be 2 4 minus 3, 2 4 minus 3 and 1 minus 1 3, 1 minus 1 3. ठीक है, now we'll add these two. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 4 9, minus 6 minus 3 minus 9, 3 minus 3 minus 3 and plus 1 minus 2, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, 1 plus 3 4. ठीक है, so now we will compare this 5 4 9 minus 9 and minus 2 minus 5 4. Okay, so now we can say that A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, hence proved. Okay, first one we have done. The second one we'll do. Second one we'll do now. Second one is A minus C transpose. So A and C will compare. Now B का तो कुछ काम नहीं है, so we'll remove B here from here. Okay, this we have done. Now we A and A minus C. So A minus C क्या होगा? A minus C, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 1. So 5 plus 1 6, minus 6 minus minus 2. So 6 minus 6 plus 2, so minus 4. Now minus 3 minus 2, minus 5, minus 4 minus 4, minus 8, 1 minus 3 minus 2. So A minus C transpose क्या होगा? 1 6 4 1 6 minus 4, 1 6 minus 4, minus 5 minus 8 minus 2, minus 5 minus 8 minus 2. ठीक है, now we'll find out the A value of A transpose minus C transpose. A transpose minus C transpose. So we'll write the value of A transpose. A transpose क्या होगा? 2 5 minus 6, 2 5 minus 6, minus 3 minus 4 1, minus 3 minus 4 1. Now minus C transpose. Okay, this is C. Now C transpose we have to take. Okay, so C transpose is 1 minus 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 1 minus 2, 2 4 3, 2 4 3. Now we'll find out the value of the difference of this A transpose minus C transpose. 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus minus 1, so 5 plus 1 6, minus 6 minus minus 2, तो minus 6 plus 2 हो जाएगा, so minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. Now minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, 1 minus 3 minus 2. Now compare these two. 1 6 minus 4, 1 6 minus 4, minus 5 minus 8 minus 2, minus 5 minus 8 minus 2. So we can say that A minus C transpose whole transpose will be equal to A transpose minus C transpose. Hence proved. A is given, two matrices A and B are given. Okay, and this condition is also given. This is a function, this is an equation, A 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to I. Okay, I is identity matrix, तो वो भी 2 by 2 लेंगे, identity matrix. Okay, so first of all, and what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of C transpose. ठीक है, so first of all equation के according हम चलेंगे. So 3A minus 2B plus C is equal to I. So 3A, first of all we will multiply 3. 3 is a scalar number, A is a matrix, so we will multiply 3 with this all the element of this matrix A. So what will be the value? When we will multiply 3 by 5, we'll get 15, 3 by minus 2 will get minus 6, 3 by 4 will get 12, 3 by 3 will get 9. ठीक है. Now minus 2. When we'll multiply 2? 2 is a scalar number and B is a matrix. So we'll multiply 2 with the matrix, all the elements of matrix B. So we'll get 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 3 6 and 2 into minus 1 minus 2. ठीक है. Plus C is equal to I. I is identity matrix 0 0 1. Okay. Now what we have to do, we'll just add this two. Sorry, subtract this. We'll do this one. Minus 15 minus minus 2. So 15 plus 2, 17. Minus 6 minus 8. Minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. 12 minus 6, 6. 9 minus minus 2. So 9 plus 2, 11. Plus C is equal to 1 minus 1 0 0 1. Now what we'll do, हम इसे इधर लेकर जाएंगे. So C का value will be I minus this matrix. So the C का value will be I 0 1 0 0 1 minus this matrix. Okay, this matrix will short form will if you want to see, C will be equal to I minus 3A plus 2B होगा ना. So directly we are doing here. So C will be equal to 1 0 0 1 minus this matrix. So this matrix is 17 minus 14 6 and 11. ठीक है. 17 minus 14 6 and 11. So C का value will get, C is a matrix and the value of that matrix will be 1 minus 17 minus 16, 0 minus minus 14 तो plus 14, 0 minus 6 तो minus 6, 1 minus 11 to minus 10. So this will be the value of C. Got it? You understood? A and B given and this equation is given and we have to find out the transpose of C. So C we found out. Now we will find out the transpose. So transpose क्या होगा? The row wise will see and will write column wise. Minus 16 minus 6, 14 and minus 10. 14 and minus 10. So this will be the transpose of C. Got it? Is given A and B. So A is 2 cross 3 matrix and B is 3 cross 2 matrix. So can we add these two? नहीं कर सकते. Can we multiply? Yes. But here what we have to do, हमें transpose find out करना है B का. First of all we'll find out the transpose of B matrix and then we'll add these. Okay, matrices. First of all A plus B transpose हम लेते हैं. Okay, A plus B transpose. तो A is minus 1 minus 3 2 2 1 minus 3. Now we have to add this matrix B transpose. So transpose of B will take. So transpose row wise will take and column wise. Okay. So we'll take column wise and we'll write row wise. Okay. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. ठीक है. Now we can add this because 2 by 3 2 by 3 दोनों matrix हैं. So we'll add these two. What values we will get? Minus 1 plus 2 1. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, 2 plus minus 3 मतलब 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus minus 1 मतलब 1 minus 1 0 and minus 3 plus 3 0. So this is A plus B transpose. Okay, अब इसका whole पूरे का transpose when we have to find out A plus B transpose का transpose. Now that will be transpose of that matrix. ये क्या होगा? 1 minus 1 0 है तो 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 4 0 minus 2 4 0. ठीक है, ये हुआ हमारा LHS. ओके, now we have to find out the RHS. RHS का वैल्यू क्या होगा? So first of all we have to find out A transpose and then B. So A transpose plus B. So A transpose का वैल्यू क्या होगा? What will the value of A transpose? We'll read row wise and we'll write column wise. Minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 minus 3 2 minus 3 Now we'll add by b. b हम लिखेंगे 2 minus 3 minus 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. ठीक है. Now we'll add these two. Okay. So what we are getting? We'll get A transpose plus B का value will be equal to -1 2. -1 plus 2, that will be 1. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 1 minus 1 0. -3 plus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 2 4. -3 plus 3 0. Now compare these. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. -2 4 0. -2 4 0. So we can say that A plus B transpose का whole transpose will be equal to A transpose plus B. ठीक है? Hence proved. Okay? I hope you understood the concept. Also, for any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.